Hey everybody, welcome back to this Tamiya TC-01 Formula E kit build. Today we're going to be building the pilot shaft and installing the diff onto the chassis. So let's get started. So just like the diffs in the previous video, there are a lot of small parts, shims, bearings, E-clips. So I put them all together first, and this way we're going to be organized. We know we have everything we need. We won't lose anything, and it's just going to make this so much easier. I'm going to start with the shaft here, and there's two sizes of bearings. These are the same kind of diameter, but the thickness are different. So we're going to be putting on the thicker one first. And there's actually a plastic spacer on the A tree, which is this piece right here, A14. I'm going to slip that on, and then the thinner bearing, followed by 3 shims. We're going to be coming over here. I'm going to put the pin in and then set the gear inside and then lock it in with the E-clip. So it's best to hold it horizontally and insert it like that. I wanted to interrupt this video so you don't make the same mistake I made. In the following footage, I used this gear, which is the incorrect one. Make sure you choose this one, which has the 4 dots on the face and a 16 tooth. And if you build it correctly, it should look like that, as compared to what you're going to see in a few seconds here. So make sure you use the correct gear, the 16 tooth one right here. And next, I'm going to put this E-clip on. Okay, and the last step is to put some grease onto one of these pink dots. I'm going to build another one. All right, here we are again. So make sure you're using this one, the smaller one with the 4 dots on the face, and not this one right here. Again, I'm going to let the original footage run, but make sure you're using this one instead of this one. Just like that. Okay. There we go. Now we have both. Now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so next we're going to be building the turnbuckle that is going to connect the servo to the steering linkage. So it's actually going to be this piece right here. We're going to start with this turnbuckle right here. And let's take a look at the diagram. If you notice, they're both going to spin in one direction. This side is going to be lefty-tighty. This side will be righty-tighty. Actually, I think that's really close enough. There's no need to be 26 millimeters on the dot. All right, first part of this diagram right here is to cut this in half. And I'm going to take a diff. Okay, so it's in there both ends. All right, I have the chassis right here. It's telling us to grease the teeth of this side as well as this right here. And this dog bone is actually going to go into here. The other end is going to be this. And it's going to seat right here. All right, that's ready to go. Now let me put on the steering link. And now this will kind of close it all up. So this notch right here is going to go over that bearing. So there are 8 screws here. 6 of them are going to be 10 millimeter and 2 of them are going to be 8 millimeter. So I have the 2 8 ones right here. All right, so for the rear diff, we need the parts that we've already built. We need A12, which are these right here, another dog bone, and we're going to cut another one of these red sponges open. Like this. And it's just like the front. We're going to grease everything up, including this gear right here and both ends of the dog bone. Then we're going to take the rear top cover . Okay, looks good. I'm going to put these on. All right, we're done. We have the pilot shafts on the front and rear. The diffs are in, and we also have the top covers in. Making great progress. The next step is going to be the upper arms. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.